Hi, this is Poonam Sharma and welcome to Sadbhavna News. Indian Railways has directed its catering and ticketing arm to cancel all the existing contracts of mobile catering services providing cooked food to passengers. The decision was taken in the backdrop of a new normal of serving ready to eat in special trains. IRCTC is directed to terminate all existing contracts of mobile catering currently kept in abeyance involving scope of work of providing cooked food to passengers prepared from base kitchens as per the existing terms and conditions. Indian Railways declared in a regulatory filing on Monday. IRCTC is further directed to treat this case as an exception arising out of pandemic situation and not to treat the case as contractors default and hence not impose any fine or not providing catering services and also return the security deposit and advance license fee in full after considering or adjusting valid dues, if any, the filing further added. Following the coronavirus outbreak, the Indian Railways has stopped all railway traffic and associated services. As train services gradually resumed in the form of special trains, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation had allowed ready-to-eat meals to be served to passengers. Indian Railways Mobile Caterers Association had requested resumption of the mobile units under regular contracts in the same manner in which the static units have been operationalized at reduced license fee. The Madras High Court had given the mandate to consider the representation by IRMCA dated January 4, 2021 and passed the final orders on merit and in accordance with law. The Petitioner Association in their representation dated 4 January 21 has inter alia requested Railway Board or IRCTC to allow them to operate the mobile catering units under regular contracts in the same manner in which the static units have been operationalized at reduced license fee. Further to this, IRMCA, however, mentioned wide letters dated January 27, 2021 and February 8, 2021 that they are ready to run the trains under new scope of work that is only ready to eat, Indian Railway said. In a meeting on February 11, there was unanimous request that mobile caterers should be permitted to resume work, same reduced scope of work on the trains held by them with license fee, as in the case of static units, or they may be allowed to operate under the train's scope of work, that is service of static units, only RTEs with reduced license fee as in the case of static units. The statement further read, since the service of only RTEs constituted a different scope of work, IRCTC rightly awarded new short-term contracts through a tendering process. Having accepted that the scope of work is different, it is neither feasible nor prudent to allow contractors with a different scope of work to work these trains, Indian Railway said. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.